Grace gives you permission to rise again. One of the enemy's greatest weapons is condemnation. He wants believers trapped in shame over past mistakes, failures, and weaknesses. But Jesus offers restoration through grace. Grace says you can begin again. You can heal again. You can trust again. You can rise again. Peter denied Jesus, yet grace restored him. David failed, yet grace preserved him. Many broken people became powerful vessels because mercy rewrote their story. Your failure is not final when grace is involved. God still calls imperfect people. God still heals wounded hearts. God still uses those who surrender to Him. I hope this encouraged you. God bless you.